Hello, this is Varun of Yoga Consulting Space 256. So I'm gonna explain about the IPM developer project. So I have chosen a project from that is generate human like audio from text. So in this we are going to use three things, that is artificial intelligence, Node.js, and speech and empathy. So according to the summary, if you go through the summary, it says that using Node.js and React components create a web app. So here we are using the Watson text-to-speech app to synthesize the text-to-speech service. So here in IBM Watson, there are multiple languages and genders. Okay. So in the description, as you can see, so here it says that build with React components and Node.js server and text-to-speech web app takes uh, text to input and sends it to Watson text to speech service. Okay, so let's go to the project and let's see. So here I'm going to use the IBM Cloud uh, portal for this for the service, and here according to the flowchart, you can see that it is given user application and Watson. So here I'm the user, so now I'm going to use I'm going to use this IBM Cloud or any other service. So here I'm going to use IBM Cloud first. So in that I'm going to use Watson text to speech service. So here according to the given instructions, first I have to use this text to speech service and deploy the server and use the web app. So for that, firstly we have to create a IBM Cloud account according to the given instructions. So after creating it, I have created a service. So for that, it requires the API key and URL. So it will be giving us unique API key and URL to access as credentials. So after that, according to the steps that I have given in here, so these are the steps that I have given. So now I'm going to use IBM Cloud, right? So here I have to register account, like I have done it. So after that we got the credentials as given, and now we have to copy the given API key and URL. Okay, so I have already copied those, and now we have to deploy the server. So here the deploying process, there are three processes. So I'm going to use deploy locally. Okay, as it is easy to and easy and also flexible to do the project. So after deploying the locally, so now I'm going to go into this page, and here they have given clone the repo. So now I'm going to use the clone the repo process, and gonna take the code that is mentioned in this GitHub. Okay, so it is a sample code, but I'm going to give my credentials in the code and gonna create a IBM Watson service using IBM Cloud. So I'm going to create a text to speech service in here. So let's see. So for that, I'm going to use a terminal that is called Windows Shell function. That is Windows PowerShell. Okay, so here I have created a folder for that. So according to the instructions, so here they have given a link for that. So we have to copy this link and we have to paste that in the terminal, so that we'll be going to the next step. So here we have to create a sample.env process. So that is our code. Text file. So there we have to go and we have to give our credentials instead. So I have given my credentials, that is API key and also the URL. Okay, so we have to save that and we have to go to the next process, that is npm install. So this is so we have done this process and we have to go to start the server process, that is npm install. So to start the server we have to install it. So it takes about 10 20 to 25 minutes. So after that it will be downloading all the modules and required files. So the next step is that we have to start after the successful downloading all the files and all. So we have to start the process, that is npm start. So for that it will be use node.js server in here, so that directly connects us to the IBM cloud. Okay, we are using IBM cloud portal, right? So while using the IBM cloud portal, so we be going into this localhost site that is given. So this is a localhost site that we have got. So this is just like the Watson. I mean, it is a replica of that the IBM Watson service that can convert the text into voice. So here there are many languages that are available, like German, British English, and Japanese. Okay, so I'm simply gonna use American English female voice. So here it has given some text, so that I'm going to give my own text. Okay, so let's give our own text. So now I'm going to give my own text, and now I'm going to synthesize the process. Let's hear that.
I'm Varen of URK17CS256.
Okay, so this is the process. So we can see the output that got synthesized the audio from the given text. Okay, so we can edit it and give any text that we want, and it is going to synthesize that into the audio. Okay, so I'm just using the IBM Watson, yeah, IBM Watson service for this to uh, explain the process of human like audio, yeah, human like audio from the text. Okay, so thank you.